Welcome to our training on the Business Discount Insights tool. Amazon Business helps professional sellers set B2B prices and attract business customers using two basic mechanisms: business prices and quantity discounts. A business price is a lower price viewable by Amazon Business customers for the purchase of a single unit. A quantity discount is an additional discount viewable by Amazon Business customers for the purchase of two or more units. If you'd like to set business prices and quantity discounts, but aren't sure which products to discount or what discounts to set, you can use the Business Discount Insights tool in Seller Central. This tool provides professional sellers with a list of B2B product recommendations, along with suggested business prices and quantity discount tiers. Let's find out how the tool works. To access the Business Discount Insights tool, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over B2B. Click B2B Central, then click Business Discount Insights. On the Business Discount Insights page, you'll see a list of the top 10 products from your catalog that we recommend business discounts for. These products are ranked based on the potential impact of a business discount. The higher the rank, the more likely the product is to attract Amazon Business customers when a B2B discount is applied. Next to each product, we list its fulfillment method: MFN for products you fulfill directly, and FBA for products you send to Amazon for fulfillment. We then list your current landed price for the product, the current B2B featured offer price, the difference between these two prices expressed as a percentage, and a recommended business price. Your landed price is the single unit price plus shipping that Amazon Business customers see when they view your offer. The B2B featured offer price is the single unit price plus shipping that's prominent on the product's detail page when viewed by Amazon Business customers. The percentage difference between these two prices can help you estimate the business discount you'd need to offer on a single unit in order for it to become the B2B featured offer. The recommended business price is the single unit B2B price we suggest for the product. We base recommended business prices on current B2B featured offer prices, as well as the average business discounts set by other sellers in the same price bands for the same product categories or subcategories. This means that our recommended business price may be close to your landed price after the percent difference in the previous column is applied. Or it may be lower if other sellers offer other products in the same price band and category for less. In addition to a recommended business price for a single unit, you'll see recommended tiers for quantity discounts in each row. These are the numbers of units we recommend you group and sell to business customers at an additional discount. We base our suggestions on common quantities bought by business customers in the same price bands for the same product subcategories. As you use the Business Discount Insights tool, remember to keep your own profits, margins, and costs in mind. Perform your own analysis and make sure our suggestions align with your operations and goals. To see a full list of every product in your catalog that we suggest business discounts for, click the Generate a Report button in the upper right corner of the tool. When you're ready to set business discounts for a product, click the Manage Inventory button at the end of its row. If the business price column isn't already visible on the Manage Inventory page, click the Preferences button. Check the box next to Business Price on the next page, and then scroll down and click the Save Changes button. You can also set dynamic business discounts for your products using the Automate Pricing tool in Seller Central. Professional sellers can access this tool anytime by opening the main menu, hovering over Pricing, and then clicking Automate Pricing. For step-by-step instructions for setting business prices and quantity discounts using Automate Pricing, see our module Create and Apply Business Pricing Rules in Seller University. Finally, to monitor the impact of the business discounts you set, use the Sales Snapshot dashboard in Seller Central. To view this dashboard, open the main menu, hover over B2B, and then click B2B Central. Set a relevant date range using the drop-down menu and look for trends or turning points that align with the discounts you set. This concludes our training on the Business Discount Insights tool. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.